VEVOR 18-liter gas tankless water heater. While shopping for one of the best gas tankless water heaters, we recommend you avoid this gas tankless water heater. While this is one of the more affordable options on the market, it has a very low flow rate and unable to provide as fast of heating towards the flow of water as most other devices featured in this review. VEVOR 18-liter gas tankless water heater is promoted to be the perfect for the showers, but when the flow rate is considered, it becomes evident that the device will only be appropriate in such areas as the kitchen, where the demand for hot water is much lower. Additionally, this device is also only compatible with liquefied natural gas.